There's a reason she forgot you. Not because you weren't good enough, but because you wanted her too much. In the world of attraction, the man who chases is invisible. The man who withdraws becomes unforgettable. That's not romance. That's power. And power is what the Stoics mastered centuries ago. Epictetus once said, "If you wish to be loved, do not beg for it. Become worthy of it." Modern men have reversed this truth. They chase validation instead of commanding respect. Every text, every call, every good morning message chips away at your masculine energy until she sees you not as a prize, but as an option. Psychology calls it the scarcity effect. The mind overvalues what's rare and dismisses what's common. The more attention you give her, the more she takes you for granted. That's why she remembers the man who disappeared, not the one who waited. Mystery is currency in the human mind. Spend it wisely. Machiavelli warned, never appear desperate for what you desire. Desperation leaks weakness, and weakness kills attraction. Women aren't drawn to perfection. They're drawn to unpredictability. Be polite but distant. Interested but never available. The less you reveal, the more they obsess. There was a man who adored her, texted daily, complimented her endlessly. She left. Then came another, calm, detached, almost mysterious. He didn't chase, he didn't explain, and suddenly she couldn't stop thinking about him. The truth? Humans crave what they can't fully understand. Desire grows in silence, not noise. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. When you chase a woman, you surrender that power. You let her dictate your peace, your sleep, your worth. A Stoic man never does that. He remains centered, unbothered by her silence, unfazed by rejection. That calm is terrifyingly attractive." Here's the trick. Stop chasing and start pulling away. Mirror her energy. Withdraw attention. When she texts, reply late. When she pulls back, vanish. This silence will haunt her because the human mind interprets absence as higher value. She'll wonder what changed. That curiosity is where power begins. The brain releases dopamine during uncertainty, not during comfort. The man who chases gives her predictability. The man who walks away gives her chaos. Chaos breeds obsession. You don't have to manipulate. You only need to understand how the female psyche bonds to mystery, not neediness. While most men drown in emotion, the Stoic walks away with control. He doesn't beg, he doesn't explain, he watches patterns and plays the long game, because he knows attention is a weapon and silence is its deadliest form. She forgot you because you made her too comfortable. You told her everything, gave her everything, became predictable. The moment she knew you'd never walk away, you stopped being a man in her eyes. Remember, in love, the one who needs less controls more.